7th class mathematics, semester 1, chapter 3, data handling. We have already seen about arithmetic mean and mode. Today we will see about median. Take an example. In a class there are 11 students whose heights are given in centimeters as 106, 110, 111, etc. So we will find arithmetic mean, mode, median for this data. Three values. These three terms represents the central value of a given data, but the values are different. That we know that arithmetic mean is the average or the sum of the observations by number of observations is equal to arithmetic mean, or simply called mean. Whereas mode is the observation which occurs in maximum number of times. Observation which occurs repeatedly in maximum number of times. And median is another one. We will see what it will. 11 students' heights are this much. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is equal to sum of the observations by 11. I have summed up all the observations. It came about 1178. So, if we 1178 by 11, if we divide it by 11, 11 ones 11, we will take 7, but 11 zeros 0, next 8, 11 sevens 77, 1 remains, so 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is approximately 0.1. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is 107.1. This observation is, this value is not in the given observations. Therefore, arithmetic mean need not be one of the observations. That is the average value of the given observations. Next, to find out the mode, we have to arrange the observations in an order. Then we can observe that which observation or which value is repeated maximum number of times. So, right, we will least observation is 102. Next one 103. Next 104. There is another 104. Next 105. Next 106. 105. There is another 105 here. And next 106. 110. 111. 110, 111 and 120. I will count total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another observation 108. 108 is also there. So 11 observations are there. We were considered in a order 102, 3, 4. There are 2 104s and 2 105s, 106, 8. So these two are the modes. So for some observations there may be more than one modes. So 104 is repeated 2 times, 105 is also repeated 2 times. No number is repeated more than 2 times. If another observation is repeated more than 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, that will become the mode. But here mode, two modes are there. One is 104 and the other is 105. That is the mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times. The mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times. Therefore, mode will be in the observation. This number 104 is in the observation, 105 is in the observation. But whereas the arithmetic mean may not be in the observation. Previously we got 107.1 as the arithmetic mean of these observations, but it is not a value in the data. 107.1, there is no 107. So arithmetic mean need not be a observation in the data, but mean will definitely be in the observations in maximum number of times also. Next median It is also represents the central tendency, but it divides the observations into two parts. It divides the observations into two parts, two groups. One group is less than that particular group, and the other group is greater than that particular group. That is, all the observations which are less than the median or a particular number are less than the median. All the other group observations in the other group are greater than that particular value, which we call it median. So median is a number which divides the observations into two groups. The values in one group are less than that particular value, and the values or observations in the other group are greater than that particular value. So median అంటే అన్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్స్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి అబ్జర్వేషన్ తీసుకుంటే అది అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అన్నిటినీ రెండు గ్రూప్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఒక గ్రూప్లో అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అన్నీ దానికంటే తక్కువ వాల్యూ కలిగి ఉంటాయి, ఇంకో గ్రూప్లో అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అన్నీ దానికంటే ఎక్కువ వాల్యూ కలిగి ఉంటాయి. సో వీ విల్ సీ ఇన్ దీస్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ what is the median. So we will write them again in an order. So consider these values. These are in a order: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So if we consider one number as the middle number, there will be five observations on the other side, and five observations in another side. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is the sixth observation, sixth one. 1 2 3 4 5. So 105 is the middle observation, which divides the total observations into two parts. All these are less than or equal. This one is equal, less than the observation, and all these are greater than these observations. This is called the median. So median of these observations is 105. Median exists in the observations. Median is one of the observations. Mode is also one of the observations, whereas arithmetic mean may not be in the observations, may be or may not be in the observations, whereas mode and median are compulsorily in the observations. So arithmetic mean is the average. It is sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Mode is the number which occurs maximum number of times in the observations. There may be more than one modes for an observations, and median is the middle number of the observations which divides the observations into two groups. In these two groups, the values in one group are less than the middle observation, and the values of the second group are greater than the middle observations. That is the definition. So arithmetic mean is the average, sum of the total observations by number of observations. Mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times. Median is the middle observations when all the data or observations are written in an order. So generally median is taken for odd number of observations. For odd number of observations only there is a middle observations, and the either side equal number of observations were there. So these three are the three terms which represents the central tendency of a given data, but they are not equal, and these are considered whenever depending upon the situation or requirement. Find the median of 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25, 35. There are 7 observations. Find the median. Median is generally taken for odd number of observations. So first we have to write in an order, either increasing order or decreasing order. We will write in increasing order. So the lowest is 17, and the next 18, next 24, next 25, 35, 36, 35, 36, next 46. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What is the middle observation? 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is the middle observation. So median of this data is 25. So this observation divides the data into two groups. In one group, the values are all less than this one, and in the other group, the values are all greater than this group. Thus, median divides the data into two groups, which are less than that value and the other is greater than that value. So, median of these observations is 25. Next one. Find the mean, mode and the median, all the three values of this data: 35, 32, 35, 42, 38, 32, 34. So first we will write them in an order. 32, the smallest one. There are two 32s. 32. Next 34. 34. Next 35. Next 35. Next 38. And next 48. So arithmetic mean or simply mean is equal to 32 plus 32 plus 34 plus 35 plus 35 plus 38 plus 48. It is 42. 42. 38 plus 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations divided by 7. Divided by 7. So we have to add. First we will add the numbers in the ones place. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 24. 26, 28. 2 is there. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 11, 14, 17, 20, 24 by 7. 7 3s 21. 7 3s 21. 7 5s 35. And 3 is there. 7 4s 28. 248 by 7. 7 3s 21. 3 8. 7 5s 35. 3 0. 7 4s point 7 4s 28. 28 remains 2. So 2 7 3s 21. We can approximately take it as 3. So the mean is 35.43. The mean is 35.43. For mode, to find the mode, we need not calculate any, just observe. 32s are 2, 35s are 2. Therefore, there are two modes for this data. Mode is equal to 32 and 35. Both are occurring in 2 times, equal number of times. Therefore, there are two modes for this data, 32 and 35. And the median, which divides the data into two equal parts. In one part, all there are greater than the middle number, and in the other, all the observations are less than. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the middle observation. So the median is 35. These are all less than 35, and these are all greater. Sometimes it may be equal, greater than 35. So median is equal to 35.